Hello, welcome Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are doing beef Wellington and I will leave a mashed potato video as a bonus. Let's begin. Heat the pan until piping hot. Add oil. Season your steak with salt. Season all sides. Then brown it for 2 minutes on each side. We are sealing the steak. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you love it here. Please kindly subscribe and press the notification bell. Wipe the steak just roughly. Then brush it with English mustard, or if you do not have, you may use Dijon mustard. Set the steak aside. The following step, you may start with the chopping of the mixture of mushrooms. Place them in a food processor. You might think that it's a lot, but they will shrink. Sprinkle them with salt and black pepper and thyme, which I forgot to add, fresh thyme, and finally process them. Stop, collect from the sides of the processor and continue blending the mushrooms or processing them. Please note that the mushrooms are naturally full of water. Now we are drying them in a pan with nothing. There's nothing I have added. I am drying them on medium to low heat, stirring in between until they are dry. When you press a spoon on them, they are not supposed to be shiny. When they are shiny, it means there's still some water that needs to be dried. I have changed the pan and used a stainless steel pan. Once they get dry, take them off the heat, cool them entirely. Let's begin Assembling our beef Wellington. Wipe a flat surface with a damp cloth, then put a cling wrap so that it sticks on the surface, then overlap ham over the wrap as shown in the video. I am using the Black Forest ham bought from the deli. Layer the mushrooms, the cold mushrooms, on top of the ham. And level them. I have left the edges without the mushrooms, so to avoid them spilling when I roll. Place your steak on the mushrooms and start rolling tightly with the help of the cling wrap, covering all areas with the wrap. In the fridge for 10 minutes. I did it overnight. Sprinkle flour on a clean dry surface and open your puff pastry. Gently roll the puff pastry to remove creases. Do not exert pressure on the pastry. It will be thin. Do the same on the other side. I sprinkled flour because the pastry dough was sticky. Brush off the excess flour. Beat egg yolks. I added one more off the camera. Then unwrap your steak and place it on the pastry. Brush the inside edges of the pastry with the eggs. Wrap the steak with the pastry to encase it, then seal the edges closed. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your pastry in the fridge for about 5 minutes. Then place it in a baking pan. Brush it with the eggs, beaten eggs, all around. Please do not forget to decorate it by scoring it. I forgot to do that. Sprinkle salt flakes to make it crunchy and bake it for around 35 minutes. This depends on how rare you want it. Once baked, let it stand for about 10 minutes before slicing it to allow it to be tender and succulent, because it will absorb back its juices. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and let me know, would you try this recipe? Let's make quick mashed potatoes to go with our beef Wellington. Peel cooked soft potatoes and cut them or chop them into cubes or smaller pieces. Happy was saying here, smile, you are too serious. Add butter, sour cream, and grated garlic to make the flavors even stronger. I've added garlic powder, that's optional. Sprinkle salt and black pepper, then mash the potatoes, adding cream or milk in between. Warm your mashed potatoes, garnish them with herbs of choice. I've used thyme, and serve with your beef Wellington. Before I go, I would like to thank you for watching my video up till this far together with these people. I hope you have enjoyed these videos. See you soon. Bye bye.